Hi friends, this is Pooja from Sony Craft. In today's video, we'll quickly learn how we can make this jewelry dish. And I have not used any, store-bought silicone mold. Everything I have done on my own. So hope you guys will enjoy. So you can see that I have used silicone and I have made my own mold with the design I designed on a pattern, and then just simply used the silicone which is easily available in any hardware shop, and make my own mold for this dish. Now I've planned it like, I will be having some pointers and a crushed glass to beautify this plate. So I'm using the glue gun, and with the help of glue gun I have just stick these pointers and crushed glass the way I wanted to. And once these are stick to the bottom, and at the bottom, yes, I had used the OHP sheet. You can use any thick plastic because resin does not generally stick to plastic sheets, so I have used that. And now I'm just wearing my gloves. Will be mixing my resin as per the ratio given on the bottles. And just make sure that you mix your resin for at least 3 minutes if you want the perfect shine. If we do not mix the resin thoroughly, in that case it may any problem may occur. It could not be curing in a time, or it will cure very late. Sometimes the shine is not proper, so enjoy the process. I'll just mix the resin, and after that I will be mixing the colors which I had chosen for this platter. And I will be just start pouring. So let's enjoy. Now I'm using the heat gun to pop the bubbles and mix the resin all together. So here you can see that this gold color is always float on the top. So if you does not, I really envision this plate the way where the gold empower the design. If you don't want that and you want sleek lines, then you should not add the gold in the start. You should add the gold at the end of the process with the very thin line or with the piping bank. Here I am just making some petals or designs with the resin. I'm just playing with the resin and the way I want. But honestly guys, this process has given me a best results. So if you see the end result of this platter, you will see a flower shape and without any piping bag. Here it's a demolding time. It's after 12 hours of time. Now I'm just carefully removing the silicon mold from the resin platter, and just you will see. I am not fast forwarding this process because I really want you guys to see that how we can how we should remove it from the silicon, because sometimes these DIY molds could be tricky enough. And as I had used the glue gun to stick the pointers and the crushed glass, so that plastic sheet has also stuck with the pointers, but that was easily detachable. You will see in the end of the video. This platter has come out so beautiful and it is looking so pretty even at the back side, but obviously I will be using the front side. Now I will just sand this platter from the sides, add some gold leaf on the corners of the platter, and this platter is ready. Even I can use this mold again. So I hope you guys will enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoyed making this video. So for final look of this platter, follow me on Instagram at Sonycraft. I will be posting the final pictures of this platter there. Thanks for watching.